Aprilia's flagship motorcycles, the RSV4 and Tuono V4, have been updated for 2022 for international markets. And as part of the model year update, the two motorcycles receive a new color scheme. The new livery, called Ultra Dark, has been inspired by the 2006 Aprilia RSV4 1000R. Both the RSV4 and the Tuono V4 sport a matte black color, with hints of gold that add to the Italian flair. The badges, logos, tail unit and forged aluminum wheels get a gold finish. On the other hand, the Tuono V4 Ultra Dark is slightly different, and does not get golden wheels like its Supersport counterpart. The rest of the theme, with the gold logos and highlight on the tail unit, are similar. However, apart from this, the 2022 RSV4 and Tuono V4 remain the same in terms of mechanicals and features. Even their list of features continue to be the same as the previous models. It is powered by a 1099cc, transverse 65-degree V4, liquid-cooled DOHC engine that churns out an impressive 217 bhp power at 13,200 rpm. Now, Aprilia sells the RSV4 and Tuono V4 in India in limited numbers, and is also likely to introduce the 2022 versions of the motorcycle in India sometime soon. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with others, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.